Imagine stepping into a time machine and setting the dial to 5 billion years into the future. The engines hum, light bends, and in an instant, you've leapt beyond everything you've ever known. As you step out, the world around you is unrecognizable. Earth, the once blue jewel of life, is dry, cracked, and silent. The oceans have evaporated, the sky burns a dull orange, and the air is thin and toxic. The sun, our life giver, now dominates the sky. Not as the warm yellow star we knew, but as a colossal red giant, its surface boiling and churning in fiery waves that reach millions of kilometers into space. You watch as the sun slowly consumes Mercury and Venus, tearing them apart with unimaginable heat. Then it turns toward Earth. The ground trembles as oceans of lava rise from the planet's core. Mountains melt like wax, cities crumble into dust, and the atmosphere is stripped away. In moments, the Earth's surface glows red, then black, then nothing. The planet that gave birth to humanity is gone, but the universe continues. The sun, having burned through its final breath of hydrogen, sheds its outer layers into space, a beautiful, expanding shell of gas and light known as a planetary nebula. At the center remains a small, brilliant core, a white dwarf, no larger than Earth, yet so dense that a teaspoon of it would weigh tons. This faint star glows like a cosmic ghost, slowly fading over trillions of years. Around it, the shattered remains of planets drift in silence, a graveyard of what once was. And yet, somewhere out there, perhaps humanity still exists. Maybe our descendants left Earth long before the end, spreading across the galaxy, building new worlds around younger stars. Maybe they evolved beyond flesh and bone, into energy, data, or light, watching the death of the sun from distant galaxies. Or maybe we are simply gone, our memory carried only by the faint radiation of the stars that once warmed us. As you stand in the void, looking at what's left of the solar system, one thought fills your mind: everything ends, even stars die. Yet from that death comes beauty. The nebula left behind will one day seed new stars, new planets, and perhaps new life. The universe doesn't mourn. It simply begins again. So if you ever could travel 5 billion years into the future, you wouldn't just witness the end of Earth. You'd see the cycle of creation itself. The death of one world and the quiet promise of another. If this glimpse into tomorrow made you wonder what else could lie ahead, hit subscribe. Because here at What If Files, imagination is just the beginning.